Emotional abuse doesn't just break your heart, it slowly chips away at who you think you are. Over time, your confidence, your voice, your sense of self, they all start to fade. But let me tell you something important. You are not lost. You are still here beneath the silence, beneath the pain, and you can rebuild. The first step is recognizing the impact. Emotional abuse often leaves invisible wounds, self-doubt, shame, anxiety. You may have been told you were too sensitive, too needy, too much, or not enough. These messages weren't true, but they stuck. And now it's time to unlearn them. Begin with compassion for yourself, not blame. This journey isn't about fixing what's broken. It's about reconnecting with the person you were always meant to be. Start small. Journal your feelings. Spend time in nature. Make space for silence. In those quiet moments, your real voice, the one that was silenced, starts to rise again. Rebuilding your identity also means asking, what do I truly value? What brings me peace? What kind of energy do I want around me? These questions don't need instant answers, but the act of asking and listening is how you start to reclaim yourself. One of the most powerful steps is setting boundaries. If you were emotionally manipulated, standing up for yourself might feel wrong at first. But every time you say no to what hurts you, you're saying yes to what heals you. Boundaries are not walls, they are doors. And now, you hold the key. Surround yourself with people who see your worth, not those who question it. Healing doesn't have to happen alone. Find a therapist, a mentor, or a sister circle that reminds you you're not too much, you're just enough. And finally, give yourself grace. This isn't a race. There will be good days, and there will be days that feel like setbacks. But you are growing through all of it. You are not just recovering, you are becoming. You are worthy of love. You are worthy of peace. And every step you take toward yourself is sacred. You're not broken. You're becoming. Subscribe for more healing and support. Thanks for watching.